What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spang's World. We're tearing into Orange Crush here, the 16 Turbo RZR, my personal machine. Getting ready to do some maintenance and stuff on it. Figured I better take care of some of this before it actually breaks out on the trail. But here, we'll see what we're doing right now. Looks pretty empty up front. We got all the driver's side A-arms and stuff off right now. We're changing out the bearings on that, which is a good thing because it's pretty dry. It's been sitting for a little bit, but we're going to do the same on here. Take all this off. I'm going to decide if I want to tear into the diff since I have everything out already. We might end up doing that. But here's the bearing. Took it apart and it basically fell apart. So the inner super dry, no grease whatsoever. Remember to grease your guys' stuff. And then but other than that, it actually looks pretty good and stuff. We got air filter and stuff to put in, but yeah, we're doing pretty good on it and stuff. But yeah, let's change out these bearings real quick. Pushing the bearing out, all I use is a dimple die I have. It's 1 1/4 inch. One, but the OD for the actual dimple die fits right in there for that bearing. So we can just push it out, then push the new one in. Alright guys, there we have it. We got the bearing out. Hub's in decent shape for the bearing at least. But time to put the new one in. Alright guys, we got the Moose Racing wheel bearings here. Part number 02150738 that we're putting in. That's what we had at our local parts store, so that's what we're going to use. Basically just what we just did for pressing it out, but now we're going to press it in. All right. Alright guys, that's how you do a wheel bearing. Pretty quick and easy as long as you got a press. And we can start putting it back in if we weren't doing some other stuff. But alright guys, that's how you put a wheel bearing in real quick and kind of what we're doing in the shop. We'll see you on the next one. Like this video, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.